there is no side effect or adverse effect, and finally it is very less expensive. With this background in mind, we have started the Tirumular Varman Research and Therapy Center, and currently we are running around 18 therapy centers throughout India. Majority of the 15 centers are in Tamil Nadu, in our state. All the centers are currently functioning under the guidance of a medical professional. And we do treatment as a charitable activity. As I said, it is a not-for-profit. Our treatment is not for charitable activity. As you can see, we charge only $3 for the entire month of treatment. So it's cost less than a burger. So within those $3, they can have 8 sittings over a period of 2 sittings per week for an entire month. And if a patient gets registered in one center, they can get treatment in 8. Yes.
How long does treatment usually last?
It's sometimes it can be even 3 sittings, and sometimes it can drag all the way to a year and a half.
When you come in though, is it like an hour-long treatment or?
It's a minute-long treatment, maybe 60 seconds, 120 seconds. So you will anyhow go after 4 o'clock, you can go around and see how the treatment is done. So it doesn't take, if I go through the thing, we are treating more than 250 patients per day over there in this center alone. So we cannot do it for hour for one. We have around 120 doctors, and I think we can boost as the only in the knees and only in the already. Okay, in 3 months treatment.
Yes, sir.
Just to show you the duration of treatment, you just want to tell about a specific case.
Tumor around the pituitary gland. We are giving treatment for 1 month course. Then only the tumor size is reduced day by day. We have the results for it. This is one example. In the future, we will show some other examples as well.
And typically, as you can see, allopathy doctor doesn't believe in Siddha. Siddha doctor doesn't believe in Ayurveda. I think we are the only center which we can boost where one patient is looked after by so many doctors from different medical fields. They are doctors from allopathy, Siddha, Ayurveda, homeopathy working with us. And why it is a not-for-profit activity? Because we have more than 300 volunteers who are servicing in this organization, and around 20,000 patient visits are being recorded in our 18 centers. And Coimbatore center is the head center, this place. We have around 250 new patients coming in, and we are handling about 4,800 patient visits per month. And as I said, the pressure application we do for all the 4,800 patients, we do the fingering method and the application method. And for a very few cases, we do heat treatment and massage, because we try to keep the cost at a lower level. So since the cost of heat treatment is high, we don't encourage them until unless for that disease that is essentially necessary. Currently 6 doctors are employed full time, and 6 allopathy doctors visit us every month, and we have 20 doctors from different disciplines coming here. And even we have a doctor now sitting, she is from Singapore, Lakshmi is from Singapore. And even we have a structured training program which we started in 2009, 6 months training for any 6 months training with us. Closing my presentation, our course of action is like something like this. Since the British invasion, we have no research or any new experience has been added to the medical science. This verbum has not been known to anybody. As I said, till I met Dr. Shanmugam 12 years back, I didn't know there exists a medical science like this in Tamil Nadu, in my own state. So our first aim is to create awareness about this medical art throughout India, and then later to take it to an international audience, because we have more requests from international students to learn it, but right now we are not encouraging anybody because we want to have a strong base in India before we take it out to an international audience. We are creating this awareness by publishing a quarterly magazine. Since 2007 we have published 13 issues has come, and we are conducting periodic training to both medical and non-medical people. And right now, after 5 years of creating awareness, now we have started getting requests from nearby states for them to teach. So we have started that last month in Kerala. And we recently launched a free camp specifically for Varmam Medical Camp for Special Children, CP children. And we did the training to parents and caregivers as a free camp so that they can do the treatment to their own child. So that, as I said, the 1.5 years is specifically for special children. It takes long time. So we want to cut short the time because we do only twice a week treatment, and we want that parents to do twice a day so that the overall treatment duration can be reduced. I will show you a video of that at the end. And as I said, we are giving structured training program, and we are even training doctors to decipher the medical manuscripts. And our aim is to ensure this medical vermology techniques is used by doctors of all fields, not just from India but all over the Ayurveda of all fields. We like them to use it along with their own treatment methodology. And in 2008, May 2008, we did a national conference on vermology, and around 480 medical professionals from India visited us. And that was done to showcase the efficacy of Varmam treatment, and we have presented 10 papers. And we are planning to conduct an international conference on vermology in 2012. So you guys are welcome to visit us back in 2012, and we will be showcasing more results over there. And that's all my presentations. And if you have any questions, either I can answer or our technical expert at the back. And then we will move to this.